We're talking plumbing with Patrick Summers, president of General Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing. Patrick, what are some of the most common plumbing problems you see?
Toilets that keep running or are leaking, the seals, the gaskets start to wear out. Water leaks, slow water leaks that may not really even be noticeable on a water bill initially until they grow. Water heaters, we run into a lot of issues, especially in our winter months. The groundwater is so high that you may have a water heater that's not functioning properly, but you don't really know because it's still producing heat. It's just not producing heat to the level that it should. You don't actually notice that, hey, this thing's not working because it's like, it's not making the water as hot as it should. And then you get into the cooler months and then you really realize it.